Hi students, I am Arikrishnan from Bharathasan Metric High Secondary School, Arakkonam. Today I take 6th standard mathematics. The chapter name is Playing with Numbers and the subtopic is divisibility test. Divisibility test. So the previous session we have discussed about divisible by 5 and divisible by 7 and divisible by 35 and divisible by 15 also. So in this session we have discussed about divisible by 7 and divisible by 11 and divisible by 77. 7 and 11 and 77. So listen. So first one, question number 18. Find the largest prime number which should be taken for testing whether it could be the factor of 620. So first we have to find factors of 620. Factors of 620. Listen. Factors of 620. They are asking largest prime number. Largest prime number. So first we have to find factors of 620. All the factors. So one is a factor of 620. Next 2. So divisible by 2 means last unit digit is 0 or even number. So here the unit place is 0. So 620 is divisible by 2 table. 2. Next one 62. Next one divisible by 3. Divisible by 3 means the sum of the digit. 6 plus 2 plus 0. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 0 equal to 8. So 8 is not divisible by 3 table. So 620 is not divisible by 3 table. Next 4. So divisible by 4 means last 2 digit. So last 2 digit means 1's place and 10's place. So 1 place and 10 place means 20. 20 is divisible by 4 table. How many times? 5 times. So 5 times. 20 is divisible by 4 table 5 times. So 620 is divisible by 4 table. 620 is divisible by 4 table. Next 5. So divisible by 5 condition, the unit place is 0 or 5. Here the unit place is 0. So hence the given number is exactly divisible by 5 table. So 620 is divisible by 5 table. Next is 7. In 7 table 620 is not divisible because 7 9s are 63. Here having only 62. So it is not divisible by 7 table. Next one 9 table also it is not divisible. Next one 10 table. So 10 table means 1's place. Divisible by 10 means 1's place. 1's place must be 0. Here the unit place is 0. So this number is exactly divisible by 10 table. So 620 is divisible by 10 table. 8 table. 8 table means last 3 digit. 620. We have to check 8 table. 620. 8 8s are 64. So take 7 times. 8 7s are 56. Remaining 6 0. 8 7s are 56. So next we have to check 8 table in 620. So divisible by 8 means last 3 digit. Last 3 digit. So 620 in 8 table. 8 8s are 64. So you are having 62. So we take 7 times. So 7 8s are 56. So remaining 6 0. 60. So 8 7s are 56. Remainder 4. So hence 620 is not divisible by 8 table. So 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 is a factors of 620. And then next listen. 2 table 620. Listen how many times? 620 in 2 table how many times? 2 3s are 6. Remainder 0. Next bring down this 2. So 2 1s are 2. Remainder 0. Here having 1 0. That 0 keep into quotient value. So 310. So 310 is a factor of 620. 310 into 2 we get 620. So 310 is a factor of 620. Next one 4 table. Check 4 table. Listen. So 4 table 620. 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4. Remaining 2. Bring down this 2. We get 22. So next 4 5s are 20. 4 5s are 20. Remaining 2. Next bring down this 0. So 20. Again 4 5s are 20. 4 5s are 20. So 155. So quotient value is 155. So listen, in every number, divisor and quotient. Divisor and quotient is a factor of the dividend. This is divisor, this is quotient, this is dividend. So in every number, divisor and quotient is a factor of dividend. So 4 and 155 is a factor of 620. Already wrote 5. So next we have to write 155. So 155 is a factor of 620. Next one, 5 table. So 5 table, listen. The 5 table 620. 5 ones are 5. Remaining 1. Next bring down this 2. We get 12. 5 twos are 10. Remaining 2. Next bring down this 0. 5 fours are 20. 5 fours are 20. So we get the quotient value is 124. So 124 is a factor of 620. So 124. And the next 10 table. So 10 into 62. 10 into 62 we get 620. Right? So these are the factors of 620. 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 310, 155 and then 124, 62. So these are the factors of 620. So next listen, the prime numbers. So what do you mean by prime number? The prime number having exactly 2 factors. Every prime number having exactly 2 factors, 1 and itself. 1 and itself. So listen, here the prime number is 2 is a prime number and 5 is a prime number. 2 and 5 is a prime number. Next one. So here the largest prime number is 5. Largest prime number is 5. So 5 is a largest prime number that it is divisible by 620. Largest prime number that it is divisible by 620. So listen, 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 310, 155, 124, 62. And then next listen, 31 is a factor of 620. 31. Listen, 31 table 620. 31 table 620. 31 into 2. 31 into 2 we get 1 into 1. 1 into 2, 2. 2 3s are 6. So 62 minus 62. We get remainder 0. So in this 0 keep the quotient 20. So 31 is a factor of 620 and then 20 is also factors of 620. 20 is a factor of 620, 31 is a factor of 620. So listen, here the prime numbers, they are asking prime number. So prime number means prime number having exactly 2 factors, 1 and itself. So listen, 2 is a prime number and then 5 is a prime number. Next one, 31. 31 is a prime number. They are asking largest prime number. So largest prime number means 31. Largest prime number is 31. So therefore the largest prime number is 31. Largest prime number is 31. That is exactly divisible by 620. That is exactly divisible by 620. So next question number 9. To check whether a number is divisible by 42 or not, which 2 co-prime numbers must be tried as a divisor of for testing the divisibility. So listen, divisors. Divisors means listen, 15. Example, we take 15. So find the factors of 15. Find the factors of 15 means 1 is a factor of 15, 3 is a factor of 15, 5 is a factor of 15 and 15 is a factor of 15. So these are the divisors of 15. These are the divisors of 15. So listen, here the given number is 42. Given number is 42. We don't know the number. To check whether a number is divisible by 42. So in the number is divisible by 42 means it must be divisible by 6 and 7. It must be divisible by 6 and 7. Both condition will be satisfied means the given number is exactly divisible by 42. If one is not satisfied means then the number is not divisible by 42. Here given 42. Test the divisibility by 42. So divisible by 42 means then the number is exactly divisible by 6 and 7. 6 and 7. So both condition will be satisfied means the given number is exactly divisible by 42. If one is not satisfied means it is not possible. It is not possible. So 6 and 7. Divisor for this testing for the divisibility. Next listen here. Which two co-prime numbers? Two co-prime numbers. So co-prime means if their HCF is 1. Co-prime is if their HCF is 1. So we know already HCF. HCF means highest common factor. Highest common factor. Example listen. 2, 3. The two number we take 2, 3. Here the HCF is 1. Next 3, 5. The HCF is highest common factor is 1. Next 5, 7. 3, 7. So these are the co-prime numbers. Hence listen here 6, 7. 6, 7 is also a co-prime. 6, 7 is also a prime number if the HCF is 1 only. 6, 7 if the HCF is 1 only. So listen, the number is 42 is divisible by 42 means then the number must be divisible by 6 and 7. If the two co-prime numbers means exactly 6 and 7. 6 and 7 is a co-prime number because if the HCF is value is 1. The HCF is 1. HCF is 1. So therefore the number is 6 and 7. Two co-prime numbers 6 and 7. The divisors also 6 and 7. Divisors also 6 and 7. Divisors 6 and 7. Next one, question number 20. A number is divisible by 77. What other numbers can be the factors of that a number? Factors. So listen, here the given number is 77 and then factors. So first we have to find factors of 77. Factors of 77. So factors of 77 means 1 is a factor of 77 and 77 is a factor of itself. Next one, 7 table. 7 11s are 77. 7 11s are 77 and 11 sevens are 77. So factors of 77 equal to 1, 7, 11 and 77. A number is divisible by 7. Any number, we take any number, that number is divisible by 77. What other factors? What other factors means any other number is divisible by the number. So listen, remaining numbers 7 and 11. 7 and 11 is must be divisible by 77. This must be divisible by 77. Example listen, 77 into 2 we get 154. 77 into 2 we get 154. So check 154 is divisible by 7 and 11. So first 7 table. 7 table 154. So 7 2s are 14. 7 2s are 14. Remainder 1. Bring down this 4. We get 14. 7 2s are 14. 7 2s are 14. Remainder 0. So hence the 154 is divisible by 7 table. Next 11 table. 154. 11 ones are 11. 11 ones are 11. Remaining 4. Next bring down this 4. 44. 11 fours are 44. 11 fours are 44. Remainder 0. If a number is divisible by 77 means then it is also divisible by 7 and 11. then it is also divisible by 7 and 11. So other factors means 7 and 11. Any other factors means 7 and 11. Understand? Right. So in this session we discussed about divisible by 7 and divisible by 11 and divisible by 77. So in description box we have attached study material, question bank and self assessment. Kindly go through, study well, and thank you.